Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another Crafternoon adventure. Today we're going to be doing color your own pencil cases. So if you stopped at the library and picked up a craft kit, you should have your blank pencil case. And then you'll just need permanent markers and a piece of paper. Now the piece of paper you want to fold in half so it's doubled up. And then you might have to fold it one more time to get it to fit into your pencil case. And the reason why you want to do this is because when you're coloring with the permanent marker on one side, it could bleed through to the other side. So then you just have to color your case. That's pretty easy. And for mine, I'm going to do a little bit of rainbow here. And because this fabric is a little bit textured, you might have to go over it a few times to get it to saturate well. And as you can see, we got some good colors there. And then this is my completed side. And once it's done, you just pop out your paper and you are done and all set for school. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And next week, we are going to be doing pom-pom launchers. So be sure to join me for that one. You guys have a nice rest of your week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.